Binary options trading is a type of financial trading where the payoff is either a fixed amount of an asset or nothing at all. Traders speculate on the price movement of underlying assets such as stocks, currencies, commodities, or indices within a specific time frame. They simply predict whether the price will rise or fall. If their prediction is correct, they earn a fixed amount of profit. It offers a simple way to trade without the complexities of traditional trading. However, it also carries high risks due to the all-or-nothing payoff structure. Choosing the right broker is crucial in binary options trading to ensure a safe and efficient trading experience. Look for brokers regulated by reputable authorities to guarantee fair practices and fund security. Consider the broker's reputation, trading platform, available assets, payout rates, and customer support. Evaluate the deposit and withdrawal process, fees, and additional features offered. A trustworthy broker should provide transparency, competitive pricing, educational resources, and responsive client service to assist traders in their trading journey. Minimizing risks in binary options trading is essential for safeguarding investments. Diversification is key to spreading risk across different assets and reducing exposure to market volatility. Setting stop-loss orders helps limit potential losses by automatically closing trades at a predetermined price level. Utilizing risk management techniques like position sizing and proper asset allocation can protect capital from significant drawdowns. Traders should also stay informed about market trends, economic indicators, and geopolitical events to make well-informed decisions. By implementing these risk minimization strategies, traders can enhance their chances of long-term success in binary options trading. To maximize profitability in binary options trading, traders can implement various trading strategies. One effective strategy is trend following, where traders analyze and follow the direction of market trends to capitalize on momentum. Another approach is range trading, where traders identify key levels of support and resistance to place trades within a specific price range. Utilizing technical indicators such as moving averages, RSI, and MACD can help traders make informed trading decisions. Additionally, news trading involves trading based on economic events and news releases that can impact asset prices significantly. By exploring and combining these strategies, traders can enhance their chances of boosting profits in binary options trading. Technical analysis tools play a crucial role in making informed trading decisions in binary options trading. Common tools include moving averages, which smooth out price data to identify trends, and relative strength index, RSI, which measures the speed and change of price movements. Additionally, the moving average convergence divergence, MACD, helps traders spot changes in the strength, direction, momentum, and duration of a trend. Bollinger Bands are useful for understanding price volatility and potential price reversal points. By mastering these technical analysis tools and using them effectively, traders can enhance their trading strategies and increase profitability. Mastering market psychology is essential for successful trading in binary options. Understanding how emotions such as fear, greed, and hope influence market movements and traders' decisions can help in predicting price trends. Behavioral biases like loss aversion and herd mentality often lead to irrational trading behavior and can impact trading outcomes. By recognizing these psychological factors and staying disciplined, traders can avoid impulsive actions and make rational decisions based on analysis and strategy. Developing emotional resilience and cognitive control is key to navigating the complexities of market psychology and improving trading performance. Effective risk management and discipline are cornerstones of sustained profitability in binary options trading. Risk management involves setting clear risk tolerance levels, using stop-loss orders, and diversifying investments to protect against potential losses. Discipline plays a crucial role in adhering to trading plans, avoiding emotional decision-making, and following established risk management strategies consistently. By prioritizing risk management practices and maintaining discipline in trading activities, traders can mitigate losses, preserve capital, and increase the likelihood of long-term success in the volatile binary options market. And there you have it. These are some of the top binary options strategies to elevate your trading game. For a deeper dive, download my comprehensive binary options strategy PDF via the link in the description. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and comment with your thoughts and experiences. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon for more trading insights. Check out my website, yourwebsite.com, for additional resources and tips. Thanks for watching, and happy trading!